U Assembly. This month, the Jones Elementary School worked on the character strength of perseverance. Perseverance is the continued effort to do or achieve something despite difficulties, failure, or opposition. The action or condition or instance of persevering steadfastness. To share some examples of perseverance, we have 3 kindergarten students. Presley from Miss Crandall's room, Nolan from Miss Maris's room, and Jacob from Miss Toomey's class.
Keep on swimming. Keep moving forward. Just keep going.
Thank you, boys and girls. Moving on to our awards, we will start with kindergarten.
And then I'll call your name.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Toomey. My star student for January is Lucas Sistai.
Adam.
And my award for perseverance goes to Brielle Doxavan.
Good afternoon, I'm Mrs. Crandall. My star student for January is Mayor Obaid. The Super U Award for Perseverance goes to Obafemi Anderson. And for library this month, the star student goes to Presley Raynon. I read it wrong. I read it.
Good afternoon, I'm Mrs. Maris, and our classroom star student for January is Hayden.
Adam. Come here.
Hi, I'm Miss Chris Sidlow. My star student is Irene Grachinen.
Hi, I'm Miss Brigliano filling in for Mrs. Murphy. My star student for the month of January is Naomi Wallace. And for perseverance, I have Yasmin Mohammed.
Can we have another round of applause for our first graders? Great job. Moving on to second grade.
Good job, Naomi.
Just scooch a little bit. Good job, Dusty. Thank you.
Good job. I didn't want your fingers to get stuck on.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Mrs. Klausner, and I'm happy to announce my star student for the month of January is Eliana Schurz. And for January, my Perseverance Award goes to Riley Santiago.
Good afternoon, my name is Bobby Peckham and I'm taking over for Mrs. Drake. And the star student for January is Maria Mung. The certificate of the Super U Award is awarded to Lena.
Hi, I'm Miss Bawalik. My star student for January is Stella Stafer. And my award for perseverance goes to Janiyah Bowman.
Can we have another round of applause for our second graders? Great job, boys and girls. Moving on to third grade.
Good afternoon, my name is Mr. Calhoun.
No, I already went up there. I already did my turn.
For my star student, Nizareen Mohammed.
I mean, that's what I get for dark.
And for my Super U Award, Ainsley Schaff.
That is Anderson's sister.
Good afternoon, I'm Miss McCoy. My star student is not here today, but he is Miles Oliveira. And my award for perseverance goes to Milana Spencer.
Good afternoon, I'm Mrs. Winter. My star student for the month of January is Haley Smith. My star student for music for the month of January is London Robinson. My award for perseverance goes to Kendra Clark.
People keep yelling and starting my ear. That's all right.
Good job, honey.
Hi, my name is Miss Green. My star student is not here, but his name is Caden Benson Carr. And the Super U Award goes to Yasmarie Cancel, but she is also not here.
Can we have another round of applause for our third graders? Great job. Thank you everybody for coming this afternoon. For our Super U, we worked on perseverance. This month, Jones Elementary School worked on the character strength of perseverance. Perseverance is the continued effort to do or achieve something despite difficulties, failures, or opposition. The action or condition or instance of persevering or steadfastness. To share some examples of perseverance, we have 3 kindergarten students. Presley from Miss Crandall's, Nolan from Miss Maris, and Jacob from Miss Toomey's.
Keep on swimming. Keep moving forward. Just keep going.
Thank you. Great job, kindergarten. Moving on to our awards, we're going to go right to 4th grade.
Because I'm also going to do
Hello again. All right, I'm very, very proud to announce my January Student of the Month, yes, it's January, as Joseph Cavo. And my other star student for library was Janet Ayu. Congratulations, Janet. And my certificate for the Character Trait Award for Perseverance was Rocco Giaruzzi.
Good afternoon, I'm Mrs. Tacoma. My star student of the month is John Holt. Come on down. Okay, and my Super U Award for Perseverance goes to Giordano Giaruzzi. I told Giordano to stay here because he is also receiving the Perseverance Award from his physical education teacher, Mrs. Gazzilli.
Good afternoon, I'm Mrs. Elmy, and I'm going to tag on with this whole Perseverance Award and give my award this month to Anthony Giaruzzi.
And just so you know, we didn't speak to each other about that at all. This is purely coincidence that all 3 boys won that award this month.
I know, Giaruzzi family, you should be very proud. They deserve some hot cocoa and donuts later.
Yes, they do.
Let's give them another round of applause. And for my star student, I chose Antonio Cruz this month. Hi everyone, for Miss Grogan's Star Student and Character Trait Award this month is Viviana Smith. I'm also going to be announcing for Mrs. Grant's class, as she's not here today. Her star student this month is Rafael Rodriguez. And her Perseverance Award is going to Xavier Irving.
Can we give them another round of applause? Great job, 4th graders. You may have a seat. Moving on to 5th grade.
For Miss Aquaviva's class, our Super U student for Perseverance is Leah Maya King. Okay, and our star student is Dream Gibson.
All right, good afternoon. For Mrs. Aceto's class, my star student is Rael Lewis. And then for my Super U Perseverance Award is Monea Patterson. And then I also have one more for my class from Mrs. Gershner. The star student is Lowell Muhammad. And I'll do Miss Minio's class as well. Miss Minio's class, star student is Anthony Washington.
Awards for 6th grade. My Perseverance student has moved, but we'd like to acknowledge Derek. He was going to be our Perseverance Award, but he's no longer in our school, but good for him anyways. And our star student is Joshua.
Mrs. Fazio, my Super U Award winner for Perseverance is Arania Torres.